Most of you think that Russians are sitting in the cell and all they hear is Putin, 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 Putin from Russian television and radio. But actually, it's not the main problem. The problem is that Russian propaganda and Russian media are very, very small in comparison to Western media and Western propaganda. And you should understand that almost the whole world is supporting Ukraine and Zelensky. And you know why? Because all these media are sponsored by the same people who are sponsoring Ukraine, who are fighting Russia. So of course they will support Ukraine. Of course they will say that Russia are the bad guys. So in fact, in Russia, we have a bigger picture because our propaganda is pretty small and it cannot close all this gap of information that people in Russia need. And that's why we also watch Western media, but Western media doesn't watch Russian media. They don't hear other opinions. They only hear opinions in the West. So I'm not sure who is stuck in media silence here. So if you have questions to me as a Russian who supports Russian army, you can ask them in comments.